Student, today I am going to explain geography lesson number 5, major domains of the earth, part 1. Earth. The earth is the only planet which has life. In the first lesson we had seen that earth is the only planet here the living things can be live because of here the oxygen, nitrogen, water, air, everything are present. That's why human beings can live here because the life sustaining elements of land, water and air are present on the earth. The solid portion of the earth on which we live called the lithosphere. Now in this part we have to learn about the lithosphere. What is mean by the lithosphere? The solid portion of the earth on which we live called the lithosphere. It means that lithosphere means land. What is mean by the lithosphere? Lithosphere means land. The gaseous layers that surround the earth is the atmosphere where oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and others gases are found. Now this lithosphere where we live, here the gaseous layers, our earth is surrounded by many gaseous layers there, which that the atmosphere. From the atmosphere we get oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide also are found where in the lithosphere. Water covers a very big area of the earth's surface and this area is called the hydrosphere. Now you have seen it that this earth is covered 71% covered by land and only 29% water there. Understood? Then also we all face the water problem. This hydrosphere is related to the water. Hydrosphere means what? Water. The hydrosphere comprises water in all its forms. That is ice also coming in hydrosphere. It means that this hydrosphere comprises water in all its forms. Suppose the ice is also in water form there, again the water vapor also. The biosphere is the narrow zone where we find land, water and air together, which contains all forms of the life, that is the biosphere. Word origin. In Greek language, lithos. Lithos means what? Lithos means stone. Atoms means vapor. Hydro means water. And bios means life. In which language? It is in the Greek language, the description given like this. Now, the lithosphere in detail. The solid portion of the earth is called the lithosphere. It comprises the rocks of the earth's crust and the thin layer of the soil that contain nutritious elements which sustains organism. Means the rocks also coming in that. Means which part? Means rock also coming in where? On the land there. It is also coming in the lithosphere. There are two main divisions of the earth's surface. That which the two divisions are? The large land masses are known as the continents. Now you know the continents, and the continents means sea, oceans, that is these large landmass are known as the continents. Continents means the 7 continents are there, and we all live in, our India is in Asia continents, and such another also continents are there. And another is the huge water bodies are called the ocean basins. These the ocean basins is many seas are there, oceans are there, that is the water bodies. All the oceans are connected with one another. Now see, on the earth, though there are 7 continents there and these continents are separated, but these oceans are connected with each other. Means water bodies are connected with each other. The highest mountain peak, that is the Mount Everest, is 8,848 meters above the sea level. The greatest depth of 11,022 meters is recorded at Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean, and this is the picture of this Mount Everest. Now the continents. Just I told you the 7 continents are there. There are 7 continents. These are separated by a large water body. The continents are separated by the large water bodies. These continents are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. These are the 7 continents. Now see the picture of the first continent, that is the Asia continent. Now among all the 7 continents, Asia continents are large continent. Asia is the largest continent. It covers about 1/3 of the total land area of the earth. Now what is the total area of the earth? That 1/3 part is covered by whom? By Asia. The continent lies in the eastern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes through this continent. Asia is separated from Europe. Now Asia continent is separated by Europe by the Ural Mountains. Means the mountain's name is Ural, and because of the Ural Mountains, this Asia is separated from the Europe, and this combined landmass of Europe and the Asia now is called the Eurasia. Now this Asia is separated from which? From Europe by which mountain? That is the Ural mountain. And where is the Ural mountains? It is on the west. So this combined landmass means combined the land. And what is it called? That is called the Eurasia. Now see the picture of Europe, or see the continent of Europe. Europe is much smaller than Asia. Now just I told you, and you also know that among the 7 continents, Asia continent, the largest continents are there. Europe is much smaller than Asia. The continent lies to the west of Asia. The Arctic Circle passes through it, and it's bound by water bodies on 3 sides. Europe continent, 3 sides water bodies and 1 side only the land. Europe. Another is the Africa continent. Africa is the second largest continent after Asia. Asia is the largest continent. Afterwards, that is the Africa. The equator or the 0 degree Celsius latitude runs almost through the middle of the continent. A large part of Africa lies in northern hemisphere. The Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert, is located in Africa. The continent is bound all sides by ocean and seas. Now this continent, all sides the ocean and the seas, and the world's longest river. Which is the world's longest river? That is the Nile, flows through which continent? That is the Africa continent. North America. It is the 3rd largest continent of the world. It is linked to South America by a very narrow strip of land called the Isthmus of Panama. Link means what? What is the meaning of link? Links means join. This North America joined to the South America. The continent lies completely in the northern and the western hemisphere. This is the map. Now the South America lies mostly in the southern hemisphere. The Andes, world's longest mountain range, runs through its length from north to south. South America has the world's largest river, the Amazon. World's largest river, whose name is Amazon, it flows where? From South America. Australia. Another continent is Australia. Australia is the smallest continent that lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. It is surrounded on all sides by the ocean and sea. It is called an island continent. Now Australia is called island continent. Why? Because Australia cover all the sides that oceans and seas are there, and in between the land. That's why it is called the island continent, Australia. And another continent is Antarctica, completely in the southern hemisphere. This Antarctica continent is completely where? In the southern hemisphere. Is a huge continent. It is larger than the combined areas of Europe and Australia. The South Pole lies almost at the center of this continent, as it is located in the South Polar region. Now you know that South Polar region mostly ice spread up everywhere. It is permanently covered with a thick ice sheet. There are no permanent human settlements here because of the minus 0 degree Celsius, that the temperature is minus 0 degree Celsius, and it is not suitable for the human beings. That's why here human settlements not. Many countries have research stations in Antarctica, and that's why research centers have developed here, and research stations have developed here, or research centers developed here in Antarctica. India also has research stations here. There are named as the Maitri and the Dakshin Gangotri. Then what is the name of that research center of India? Maitri and the Dakshin Gangotri. Now this is the map of Antarctica continent. Now I think that you have understood this part. Now this lesson is somewhat large, so I have divided it into 3 parts that you must have to understand. So though it is large, but it is very easy. Understood?
Hello, Yana.
काय होतं की आता सगळं झाल्यावर तू फोन केला आता काय माहिती.